Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Nancy Kowalik Group in Mullica Hill, New Jersey. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill, New Jersey in 30 days, version 2021. And we are kicking it off today with Jenny here at Serendipity 19. If you haven't been here yet, you are missing out. So we're in the holiday room, and we're going to show you a little bit about what this looks like. This is just the tip of the iceberg. What else do you have, Jen?
What don't we have?
Right?
So a lot of home decor, definitely a ton of stuff for holiday shopping, accessories, jewelry, artisan made jewelry, costume jewelry, scarves, imported scarves. We have some clothing, bath and body products, and then next door at Serendipity 2, we have a trendier version of the shop here, a little younger, but you'll find a lot of pieces that'll cross over.
Right. I mean, every time I come in here, I find several things I can't live without, and I'm not kidding you. So from the house to clothes, some of the jewelry is magnificent. I think I buy a pair or two of earrings.
And bags.
And the purses are to die for. I mean, honestly, this is an amazing place right here on Main Street in Mullica Hill. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nancy.
Kind of pan and show us the room a little bit. This is someplace you definitely want to make part of your tour of 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days. And so just to be clear, this is Serendipity 19 on Main Street, Mullica Hill. I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty Nancy Kowalik Group. And you are going to make it a great day.